Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make this amazing coconut sorrel cupcakes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So in a bowl, I'm going to go in with 2 eggs. Be sure to remove the eye from the egg. The eye is that white attachment to the yolk, alright? And I'm also going in with 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm also going in with some melted butter. Combine everything together, and you always want to ensure that your sugar is dissolved properly, alright? You guys don't necessarily have to use brown sugar. You guys can always go ahead and use granulated sugar, or you can just use half and half. Alright, so half brown sugar and half granulated sugar. Alright, so once everything is combined nicely, I'm gonna go in and add my sorrel puree that I have from a long time ago, and I also have some mixed fruits that I went and blend and all of that goodness and soak in rum and fruit wine that I'm gonna add to this. I also went ahead and combined both all of the dry ingredients together, the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, my nutmeg, my cinnamon powder, and my salt. Combine all of that together nicely and just put it to the side until I'm ready to add it to this mixture. Alright, so I went in with my sorrel puree and I also went in with my blended fruits. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my freshly grated coconut flakes, and I'm also gonna add some authentic coconut milk to this. Alright, if you guys don't have the authentic coconut milk, remember you can always go ahead and use coconut milk powder. Alright, combine everything together nicely, and you always want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nice to combine together and evenly distributed. Alright, I also went ahead and preheat my oven at 250 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for roughly about 30 to 35 minutes. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Guys, remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home, alright? So you just want to go in and add the flour mixture. And again, I'm not adding all of that flour, and I'm just gonna add half and half. Alright, so add half first, combine it together nicely, and remember guys to just take your time and do what you're doing. Alright guys, I also added some vanilla flavoring and some mixed spice, the liquid one, to this, but I didn't catch it on camera. Alright, but make sure that you add your vanilla flavoring and your mixed spice. If you guys don't have the liquid mixed spice, remember you can always go ahead and use the powder one that you have. Alright, so just add the powder one to the flour and combine everything together nicely until it is evenly distributed. Alright, guys, I also have a recipe on my YouTube channel for the sorrel cupcakes. Go ahead and try it out. We're just gonna go ahead and just make some nice awesome recipe for this summer with different type of ingredients, and I'm sure you guys are excited for that and want to see what it's like. Alright, so go ahead and subscribe and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Alright guys, so once the cupcake batter come together nicely, we are just gonna go ahead and just line our cupcake tin with our cupcake papers, and you just wanna just ensure that you line it properly and ensure that it is even. Alright, and then we're going to take one of our measuring cup. I think you guys, it's best for you to use a measuring cup, and we're just going to take out small amount, and we're just going to add just half, alright, to the cupcake cups. And as I said earlier, we're going to bake this for roughly about 30 to 35 minutes at 250 degrees. All right, so once you finish adding all of that niceness, we're just gonna clean up and add it to the oven. All right, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product. All right, guys, stay tuned. And I'm so excited. I mean, you can make this with the kids for summer. You can make this for the entire family. They will love it. All right, and it was just awesome and easy to prepare. Guys, last minute I decided also to go ahead and add some of the coconut flakes on top of these awesome cupcakes. Although it didn't stay on top, it made a difference. I mean, it was looking all lovely and nice. All right, so you guys can go ahead and try that. And guys, remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you. All right, so whatever comes to your mind that you want to do, go ahead and do so. All right, remember that you are the one that is going to consume this, so just try to be creative. All right, guys, so here you have it, guys, the final product of my coconut sorrel cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoy this awesome, easy and simple recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.